Okay, let's talk about my 21st February chart. What did I do? My trades. So for the AFRM, you see actually this is a very good, to me it looks quite a good setup for shorting. So what happened is that AFRM has been going up, and then at here it managed to break this uptrend line, got rejected by this 77.5 around this area, and then come down. They're now doing some sort of a bearish correction. Then so just to me, the next step is waiting for it to break this mini uptrend. Yes. Okay, so what happened is that so actually when market starts and managed to break this mini uptrend, so what I need to do is I actually try to see whether does it hold any rejection. Actually I wanted to enter at here 73.8, but the fact is that I also had some position, then I unable to enter at 0.5%, so I only managed to enter at 0.3%. So yes, so there's a bad entry. So in the end also, I only enter at the entry at this level, which is quite near to the support, and this is something that I feel that I should take into consideration. Then my stop loss is here, but luckily for me this trade take off quite well, managed to hit until here and take profit. I think this one is quite a good R/R. I think there's at least like a 1:2. Then here, then I took profit from here because there is a support at 71.14, so which is this area. You can see from my cursor, this one. So I take some profit, then I shift my stop loss to break even, then I let it run. But I think at here I just want to close it and call it a day, because of working tomorrow, that doesn't want to stay up so late. So these are my trade. Okay, so the next trade is JNJ. So what happened is that JNJ for the 1 hour time frame, so this is some sort of consolidation, and then I have been trying to see whether I got chance that it will break up, and it managed to break out with actually quite a high volume on that day. You see there's a 9:30 candle, so I think I managed to enter at this. I managed to enter at this entry level, so it's 160.3, right? My entry point is 160.3, then my stop loss is 159.72, around this. So what is that? The trade is just been slowly grinding up. Closing my EMA 9. So then it got into my stop loss. I set my stop loss after I take some trade. Then after I take some profit, it hit my stop loss, as my stop loss is shifted up to break even, so to keep this trade as a risk-free trade. So if I looking back at this, right, actually there's many hints, or I would say not many, but all these small little hints saying to me that J is actually trying from this support, then it's getting better and better. You see there's a bearish bearish engulfing, then such a nice candlestick, trying to bounce off from this. So small hints, yeah. So let me see, when taking profit, my stop loss even though is so what I feel that, okay, this is my, let me see, okay, my entry is 160.3, right? And then so if I shift, I take profit somewhere around here, then so I feel that my stop loss, because I feel that my stop loss shouldn't shift to break even, because if 160.3, maybe I should shift a little bit below, as there is some kind of support at here. So even though I'm risking, but you just risk a few more stocks, and then it slowly breaks up. Just feel like just risk a little bit more, but it's okay. Eventually you see the reward will get even higher. So this is one sort of like small improvement for me to take note about it. Okay, so moving on to Tesla is, to me, the pre-analysis looks like a firm. So we break out from this trend line. You see very good trend line support from here to here, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, then rejected at this 364.5, then breaking the support at 35.8. So from here, right, this come down, this is a support, used to be the support and now become resistant. So you break down from here, then if you look carefully, this is like some sort of a bearish correction. So I need to wait for this uptrend to break, then it will go down even further. I will take this trade if it break from this downtrend line, uptrend line. So I took this trade when it break this. Let me see. Okay, this is my entry. So I entered at here because okay, is it possible? Okay, so give me a while. Okay, let me see. Okay, Tesla. So what it is, I entered here because I got quite a huge confirmation telling me that it's coming down. So one thing also need to think of, the support is actually at here. So actually I might have the chance of this come here and then so I come here and then bounce back off, then oh no. So this is one thing that I need to take note. But luckily for, I think, that day, the market is very, very, very big. So what happens is that you see the market 21st February, right? The market come up, open, then just come down all the way. So that is one thing. So okay, so how I take profit is that I think from here to here is roughly is quite good already. Usually I will take profit when this 1:1, and like take 30% or 50%. But this one I decided to hold because I can see that from here you just go down without any, like, as though this support is not at there, then it just plumb down all the way until come here. So I take some support at here, then what happens is that it come up and test this support again. So then I can see that, hey, there's some sort of, if you look carefully, there's some sort of corrections again, then you come down and then hit hit my second stop loss. Hit my second take profit. So I cover another 25%. So it's roughly around 2.8. And then from here you see there is some sort of another support. If you look carefully, you see then corrections. So I take profit. So I waited for this chance, and then I take profit at here. It's around 4 point something, 4.3. Yeah. Then I think altogether is a very good trade to me. I think I hit around 1:2 point something, near to 3. So yes. Okay. Then I think so one thing that I look is actually, you know, if you look at the 15-minute time frame for Tesla. So 15-minute, okay, I'm turning on mine. If you see this line, it never closed above it. It always closed below, even though, you know, come here up, but never close. You only close until, you know, from here open, then only close until here. So to me, this is actually one way I can look at the trade, chill my stop loss. Maybe, you know, I take 50% already, let it run until the trend line of this EMA has been break. Yeah. Okay. So another one is Uber. So what happened is this Uber. I think for this Uber, I decided to take this trade because that, hey, I thought that, you know, it has been testing this 81.8, the swing high. Then thought that it going to break above it, but it didn't. It, you know, it market open, it break. Then but I think I entered quite early. I think 6 minutes after the market open, right? Then I just bought it in. Then which means, you know, once market open, then, you know, everyone wants to buy in. So end up I, you know, doesn't really okay, sorry, just take a look. Yeah, end up I got stop loss from it. Yeah, so you see I entry at here, then come down, then then within any quite fast. I think I need like 10-20 minutes I got stop loss. Yeah, then eventually just come down. So yeah, this is, I think, one of the lesson for me is that, you know, try not to enter into any stock so soon. Maybe wait for the market to, after like 20 to 30 minutes, then see the market direction, where is it going. Yeah. So this is for 21st February the trade, how it goes.